Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're here and I just got this baby in the mail. This is the Mothership 10. It's the Moonlit Seduction from Pat McGrath. So if you want to see what look I create with this to go on a date with my hubs, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted.
Okay, let's jump into her. I don't have a lot of time, so we have to technically record in like 2 videos, so we'll see. So she looks like so. She's brand new, haven't used her yet. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So let's go into that shade. One thing I don't like about her palette, like, it's like the shades are like on a piece of paper and then I throw it away. So yeah, I'm gonna put this right here. I know I'm recording in my robe because I'll be like all the powders and stuff, sometimes foundation fall on my clothes, so I'm like it's just easier for me to, the robe gets dirty and I just wash it, right? Because sometimes you already plan an outfit and it takes me forever to kind of find something to wear. I mean, it always used to take me forever to find something to wear. Now I'm kind of in between weights and I'm losing weight, and then I don't really want to buy too much clothes at this weight, so yeah. So it takes me a long time to get ready or to find something. So when I find something, I want to make sure, you know. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Whew. See, I'm moving too fast. So I'm actually in this shade, and after this shade, I'm gonna go into this shade. Yep, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Pat McGrath, like, shadows are literally out of this world. The only thing is her shadows are so expensive. Like, I don't really like advise anybody to go buy the shadows. I mean, they're good, but can you get something else that can give you the same look? Yes. You don't need these to get these looks. If you can afford it, get it. But they're not, you know, they're not necessary to get like a good look, you know. Then I'm just going back and forth in the shades. Do not be scared, guys, to go back and forth, because sometimes you have to do that, you know. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, now I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go into the really light shade and we're just gonna clean that up. This is another Y11 brush. And then I'm just gonna like just dust this off nicely on the edges. Just on the edges. I just want to buff it up. Just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't know why I'm saying this. And now we're gonna go back to this shade. Okay, so I feel like this is really good right there. Yeah, I do want a little cutty crease. Nothing crazy, more of a messy cut crease. Just get some white, because that brush kind of has some green on there, and I don't want that. And I'm just going in with my base and just bring that back. See how easy it is to do like a quick cut for crease, guys. I know it's not like super clean, which I don't want it to be, but so perfect. So I need something so that but I don't want to use anything in here because I don't want anything that has like a color per se. I don't don't want anything with a shade. Maybe we'll use, no, I don't want this. I already know I don't want this. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my translucent powder, and then that will do. Now I'm gonna go in with my base, oh not my base, sorry, with some glitter glue, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just put that. You know what, I maybe actually don't even need the glitter glue, because Auntie Pat, her shadows be banging, like her shimmers out of this world. Now I'm gonna take Makeup Shack T48, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this one. I don't know, I wish this was a little bit lighter, but it's fine. And now I'm gonna go back into that brown shade and just put a little bit like right here, like so, which is perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna go back into that shade. I feel like putting a little bit of that lighter shade, like right here. Okay, so that's it for this eyes. I'm gonna go up camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, prime, ready to go. I'm using my Tarte poreless primer. I love this primer. So this foundation is my baby. Oh, and I forgot to say it was $40. $40. So I know it's a little bit high end, but you know, you can splurge a little. Why not, right? Yes. So we're gonna go in. Oh god, this might be a little bit too light for me, but because this is like my winter shade. It's fine. So I'm gonna use my one size concealer. Yeah, I cannot get away with not setting my foundation because again guys, I'm in Texas and hot. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. This is from ABH and it is the cream bronzer, and this is shade is terracotta. I love this. Love this. Like it blends so well. Like look at this. Like it just, yeah, it's amazing. It reminds me of that Huda Beauty Tanto. Love it. Now I'm getting a little bit carried away because I feel like my foundation is a little bit light. And that's how you can fix your foundation. If your foundation is light, guys, just go in with a bronzer, oh sorry, a contour. And your contour should already be a couple shades darker. And then I'm just taking this brush and just kind of pass over it. So like look at this, flawless. Now let me go in and I'm gonna blend out my concealer. I do not leave my concealer for very long, not this concealer. Ooh, this is so good. And then I'm gonna take my powder brush, oh sorry, not my powder, my foundation. I'm just kind of like mixing this up a little bit. This is perfect. perfect. Let's go ahead and set under the eye real quick. I'm gonna use this to set under my eye. Oh man, this foundation is like so good. I'm using my Forever Makeup Forever. Why did I say Forever 21? Makeup Forever. Oh my god. You see why I like recording my robe? Cause this powder is like everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, set that. Now before I set my face, I'm gonna try this one size blush that I just got, but I think there's like a cream one. Yep, let's go in the cream first. I'm getting a brush, guys. I'm getting a brush. This should work, maybe. And I know that's a lot. Just you know, work with me here. Work with me here. I feel like this gives you like a powder finish. A little bit here and a little bit. Okay. Now I am like pink out. It's fine. Don't get, you know, too excited. We'll see. We'll see. So I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder and set the rest of my face. Okay, let's prime my waterline real quick, and then we're gonna finish up the face. Nope. Okay, so let's leave this like this, and let's jump with the face. There is a blush in there. I'm actually gonna use that as well, which is this shade right here. But let's bronze first. Oh, and by the way, this shade is called Fire Starter. I'm not sure which fire, but that's what it is. Fire Starter. Okay, and I'm gonna go into my Marc Jacobs Tantalizer. Oh my god, it's tantalized. Oh, I promise I can read. Like, I think like every time I bring this close to my face, I'm kind of surprised like there's a smell. Like it's really good, but it always surprises me. Okay, now we're gonna go into that blush. I feel like this blush is also gonna be super bright, so I need to be careful with that. Oh my god, that's a lot. That is a lot. I will tone it down a little bit. I look at somebody punch me in the face. Punch me in the face. Okay, let's go in with a little bit of highlighter. And which one is this? This one is Flair for the Dramatics by MAC. So I'm not bringing this all the way to the front, just so, because this is kind of dark. So. And like so, and then I'm gonna clean my brush, and then I'm gonna go into the pink, and then that's what I'm gonna bring to the front, like right here. No, I need a little bit of glue. Then I'm gonna put it in my inner corner, and then we're gonna put just a little of that silver shade. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna use this. This is from MAC. Maybe not. Yeah, let's use Malt from ABH. I'm still thinking of the lip. Let's dust this off. Actually, let's use this. This is from Rare Beauty, and this is Support. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. I love this look. You know, kind of like a little bit subtle, but I think it's perfect for the date night with the hubs. So if you guys like this video, you know you like what I do here, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what